After hours grilled shallots. Get that char on there. It's the hood chef at his best. Late night grill flipping. Peep that brown on there. It's the late night grilled turkey bologna sandwich with the hood chef after hours. I killed one. He gone. Now, and I did this too. I did this too, man. I just, just sitting here, I was like, I ain't doing nothing today. I ain't going on partying. So I'm at the end, I was like, ooh, I did that too. I did it too. Yeah, it's the hood chef, man. Up late night, man. Y'all have a good night, man. Hood chef. Gotta eat this, because I don't want a hangover.